I'm Matt Bouchard with Nareit here at the New York Hilton for REIT Week 2017, Nareit's Investor Forum. Joining me today is Gary Wojtaszek, the President and CEO of CyrusOne. Gary, thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me again, Matt.
Now, CyrusOne continues to post record results by almost any metric, and I know the data centers business is booming. We've talked about that, but what specifically is driving CyrusOne?
Over the last 5 quarters, it's been the growth of the cloud. That's been the unbelievable story for us. It's a vertical that we started focusing on 2 years ago, and as of the end of the year, we had 9 of the top 10 largest cloud companies, and that accounted for the vast majority of our growth. We actually closed the year in the lead position in terms of the market share we took.
And during your first quarter earnings call, you talked about how the company's essentially out of inventory in its top performing markets. What are your plans to try to meet and eventually stay ahead of that demand? And do you expect some of the markets that maybe aren't there to get there?
Well, we're swinging those hammers as fast as we can. It's a great position to be in that we sold out in 4 of our key markets: Chicago, Virginia, San Antonio, and Phoenix. And we've got capacity coming online, which will be delivered by the 3rd quarter. Give us plenty of capacity into the second half of this year and really help drive our growth into 18.
And as more and more companies become comfortable with cloud and enterprise solutions, how is that impacting lease terms and some of the discussions you're having with prospective customers?
The deal sizes are getting enormous. The terms are increasing, and you can kind of see that collectively in the amount of capital investment that we're putting out. We're going to do about $650 million this year in capital, which is above the $600 million that we did last year, which was probably 2 or 3 times what we've done historically. And so it's a good situation to be in. I think the inference that you can take away from that is that customers are more and more comfortable with trusting us to manage their critical data center assets, and they're willing to back that up with longer-term contracts with us. So we hope it continues and into the next decade.
Gary, thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks, Matt. Yep, thanks a lot. Take care.
For more from REIT Week 2017 and other REIT news and analysis, be sure to visit REIT.com.